Case study: Esso Petroleum versus Commissioners of Customs and Excise. Introduction. In 1976, a seemingly simple promotional campaign by Esso Petroleum, a gasoline company, sparked a legal battle with the Commissioners of Customs and Excise (CCE) in the UK. To boost sales during the FIFA World Cup, Esso offered a free commemorative coin with every purchase of 4 gallons of petrol. This seemingly innocuous marketing strategy raised a crucial legal question. Did the distribution of these coins constitute a sale of goods subject to value-added tax VAT under the Finance Act 1972? The answer hinged on the precise nature of the transaction between Esso and its customers. Issue. The crux of the legal battle in Esso Petroleum versus Commissioners of Customs and Excise lay in the distinction between a genuine sale and a promotional incentive. Did the free coins represent a separate good sold for a price, albeit bundled with the petrol, or were they simply a marketing tool to entice customers to buy petrol? The court had to determine whether the transaction fell under the purview of VAT regulations for the sale of goods. Holding. In a landmark decision, the court sided with Esso Petroleum. They determined that the distribution of the coins did not constitute a separate sale of goods for VAT purposes. This meant that Esso was not liable to pay VAT on the coins themselves. Ratio decidendi. The court's reasoning pivoted around 2 essential elements of a contract for the sale of goods. Consideration. This legal principle dictates that a valid sale requires an exchange of value between the parties. In this case, the court viewed the coins as an incentive for purchasing petrol, not a separate good with its own distinct price. The primary motivation for the customer was to buy petrol, and the coins were simply a bonus included in the overall transaction. The court argued that the price of petrol remained unchanged, regardless of the coin offer. Intention to create legal relations. Beyond the exchange of value, both parties must intend to enter into a legally binding agreement concerning the sale of goods. The court found no evidence that Esso intended to create a separate contract for the coins. The promotion aimed to increase petrol sales and customer engagement, not generate revenue from the coins themselves. Significance. Esso Petroleum versus Commissioners of Customs and Excise holds immense significance for businesses that engage in promotional activities, particularly those involving free giveaways. The case established a crucial precedent for differentiating between genuine sales of goods and promotional incentives within the framework of VAT. It clarified that offering a free item alongside a main purchase doesn't necessarily constitute a separate sale for tax purposes. However, the distinction hinges on whether the essential elements of a contract for the free item are met. Conclusion. Esso Petroleum versus Commissioners of Customs and Excise stands as a landmark case in commercial law and tax regulations. It highlights the importance of considering both the nature of promotions and the underlying intention behind them when determining VAT applicability. The case empowers businesses to design marketing strategies strategically and navigate the legal landscape surrounding promotional giveaways. By understanding the legal requirements for sale of goods, companies can effectively utilize incentives to boost sales while staying compliant with tax regulations. If you are a law student and looking for more case studies, visit our website www.mylawtutor.net.